Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In this class, we are going to discuss about the linear model plot. The linear model plot is a plot which is used to explore the linear relationship between the two numerical variables, friends. So, this matter we already discussed in the last classes. So, let us see the Seaborn code for developing linear model plot. So after loading the data set and setting the background style, plot size and plot title, we have to call the method called lmplot. There is a method called lmplot in the Seaborn library. So that method will be used to draw the linear model plot. So same we have saw in the regression line plot. So on the x-axis we are providing total bill column as the input data, and the y-axis we are providing tip as the input data, and this data is available in the df variable that was in turn loaded from the inbuilt data set called tips from the Seaborn library. And here one more argument, interesting argument, that is hue. Hue means the variety, the contrast. Okay, let us discuss it in the Jupyter notebooks, so that will be uh, good. So let's jump into the Jupyter notebook, friends. So here in the last class we saw the regression plot, total bill, tips and the data. Okay, so this is our data set, right? Total bill, tip, sex, smoker, day, time, size. Okay, so if what if you want the difference two regression lines for male and female. For male, how many total bills and tips were given, and for female how many bills was given, and how many corresponding tips are given for these two separate. So in that cases, if we give a argument called hue, okay, of the column under consideration, we are considering 6, then what will happen, let us see. Okay, sorry, it is for SNS dot lm plot. Okay, lm plot. So rest are all the same. Here x-axis data, y-axis data, everything is same. So hue is equal to, let us say, 6. Okay, so that means two lines will be drawn for a male and female by showing the difference. Let us run this. Here you can see now. So here the legends was given. The orange dots are for female, and the blue dots are for male. Okay, so the same map for both males and females. In the same plot, both males and females data points are drawn, and the regression lines are also drawn. So the use of this type of plots is to distinguish uh, both categories, male category and their total bills and the tips, and the female category and those total bills and the tips. Okay, the hue makes the difference, friends. Okay, so if you want to see both regression lines for both males and female categories in the only one plot, then the hue argument uh, is there for that kind of tasks. Okay, friends, so this is the lm plot. so which shows the linear model. The name itself is telling it is linear model. Okay, now the regression lines are starting from left side towards right side and it is rising, so it is positive correlated regression line. And for negative correlated regression line, the regression line will fall down from say from left to right. It will come down like this. Okay, from like this. Okay, the mouse cursor is showing the line. Okay, so that is called negative correlated line. So this is the linear model plot, friends. For those, for both the regression plot and the linear model plot, there is no difference. Simple, but the regression linear model plot was somewhat shrinked, friends. Okay, with this somewhat shrinked, that's it. So both are same. So and in the next class we will discuss about uh, the next plot called what's called joint plot. Okay, so till then, bye bye. Yours Veera signing off. Thank you for listening.